Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to network QuickBooks Desktop on two computers. First, ensure both computers are connected to the same local network, either wired or wirelessly. Next, install QuickBooks Desktop on both machines. You'll need your license and product numbers for this. Finally, decide which computer will act as the server, holding the main company file, and which will be the workstation accessing it. This setup is crucial for seamless operation. Now, let's configure your host computer. Open QuickBooks Desktop and navigate to the File menu. Select Switch to Multi-User Mode to enable sharing. After this, you'll need to set up proper folder permissions for the directory containing your company file. Ensure that other users on the network have full control or modify access to this specific folder. This allows the workstation to connect and access the data without issues. Moving to the workstation, open QuickBooks Desktop. Instead of creating a new company, choose Open or Restore an existing company. Then, select Open a company file and click Next. You'll need to browse the network to locate the company file residing on your host computer. Once found, select it and click Open. QuickBooks will then connect to the shared file, allowing you to work collaboratively. If you encounter issues, first verify your firewall settings on both computers, ensuring QuickBooks is allowed through. Also, confirm network connectivity and that both machines can see each other. Sometimes, restarting the QuickBooks Database Server Manager on the host can resolve connection problems. For more helpful tools and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. This easy method should get your QuickBooks networked smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.